What's flying, everyone? Metal Rocks here. Alright, so I was out trying to get this thing working, switched out the FC, still having issues. But that brought me to a good point. So obviously I'm going to need some tools and, some know-how to get this thing fixed. I'm pretty sure it's an ESC at this point if that didn't fix it. But I know a lot of pilots that just don't have that available to them. So me and snstrlefty, we've come up with an idea here, and we're going to start a co-op. Now this co-op, for a small monthly, for yearly fee, be like, I think we were discussing something in the range of like $20 for the year, gives you full access to things, knowledge, tools, parts, discounted rates on things. So we're going to set up, we have a GoFundMe /the-quad-co-op, spelled C-O-O-P. Go ahead and check it out, because it'd be really cool. We're looking for donations, we're looking for people who want to sign up for the service, things like that. So be sure to check it out, because hey, the more of us that help each other out, the more people get to enjoy this hobby.